Hi, this is Rishi Patel, and I'm here to help. I'm here to help you if you are overthinker, if you overthink everything and it's killing your confidence. This video will help you to understand why and what actually fixes it. So basically, most people think that overthinking means they are weak, anxious, and broken, but that's not true. That's totally not true. Overthinking usually happen to the people who are intelligent, self-aware, and emotionally sensitive. Your mind sees consequences, outcomes, and reactions. So it tries to protect you. And the problem isn't that you think too much. The problem is that your thinking is driven by fear, not clarity. And when fear drives thinking, confidence disappear. So that's what I'm telling you. Confidence collapse when your brain treats uncertainty as a danger and your nervous system learns, if I say the wrong things, I'll be judged. If I make a mistake, I'll feel ashamed. If I disappoint someone, I'll lose connection. So instead of acting, your mind starts analyzing that not to improve, but to avoid discomfort. And that's overthinking. And this is why you rehearse the conversation but stay quiet. Why you know what to say, but your voice gets soft, and why you want to say no but you say yes and feel drained later. So I'm saying that it's not because you lack confidence. I'm saying it's because your body doesn't feel safe expressing yourself. This is the part that most people miss out on. Confidence is not motivation, confidence is not personality, confidence is emotional safety. And confident people don't wait to feel ready. You get me? They don't wait to feel ready. They know discomfort is not a danger. Here's the simple exercise that you can understand simply, and that is, the next time you catch yourself overthinking, just ask yourself this one question, and this will help you to improve your life. And that is, what I'm trying to protect myself from feeling. Is it embarrassment? Is it judgment? Rejection? Discomfort? It could be anything. Comment down below. I'll help you. Personally, I'll reply to every single comments down below. And once you name the feeling, your brain relaxes, because now you are dealing with reality, not imagination. Now you know that what to solve, what to work on. Clarity defeats everything. You can do anything with clarity. So clarity is important if you want to be confident. And confidence grows when you act with discomfort, not after it disappears. If you struggle with this for years, I want you to know something, and that is, nothing is wrong with you. Nothing is wrong with you. You just learn to protect yourself in a way that no longer serves you. You get me? And that can be unlearned. I mean, it's okay. Helped even little. Tell me in comments, where do you overthink the most? Speaking, decisions, relationships, or boundaries? Just one word. I read them. I'll reply to them. And if you want my personal help and my personal guidance, not advice but guidance, then I offer a private 60-minute confidence breakthrough call, and we work on your specific patterns and build a clear plan forward for you. And the link is in description. Either way, I'm glad you're here. Thank you for watching this video so far. Thank you. I'm deeply grateful. And one advice from me, and that is, you don't need to become someone else. You just need to feel safe being yourself. Own yourself, embrace yourself, love yourself. Peace. Thank you.